just received this 12 GPU mining rig frame, and what I'm going to be doing today is taking down this 9 GPU miner here, which I was mining Kaspa with. I'm going to take this one down, put all those 9 GPUs, and take a few GPUs out of this one. 9, 10, 11, 12, I guess 3 of these. These are PNY 1660 Supers. I'm going to take 3 of them out, which is going to come out to 12, right? And use an extra power supply, and I'm going to be putting those into this GPU mining frame. So I'm kind of like condensing it down, you know, because I have 4 rigs right now. This one I had taken some of the GPUs out of here, and I placed them over there. You know, so I actually made this one like 9, and that one actually has 8 GPUs. So I kind of want to do things a little bit different now, and just kind of move things around and kind of get it out of this frame here. So I'm probably going to end up getting another one of these guys here, and then probably, you know, that I can hook it up. I believe I can hook it up here and make it like double or whatever. Possibly, but I got to see how things go. So right now I'm just going to be moving that one, this one, and like 3 of those GPUs, something like that, and move it into that mining frame. Either those or maybe 3 of these, because these are, I'm already pretty much taking these apart. I'm probably going to use 3 of these, you know, and move those there, something like that. That's what I'm going to do. Either those, but definitely going to take the 9 of these. So I'm kind of moving things around, kind of condensing it. So I got to see how that works out. I just got that in, and I'm going to be doing that right now. Okay, so far I put 4 GPUs in, and I'm going to put 2 more here, and I removed the motherboard and the power supply, and I'm going to swap these over to here. So one thing I noticed about this is the fans would actually go on this side facing this way, and I think to me it's a little kind of far away, you know, and I don't see another way to put it, but that's the way this rig is. But I don't know, so I'm just going to continue on putting this together. I got to put in these little pillar screws on the bottom, so I can put the motherboard. We'll do that. Alright, so far I got the motherboard in and the power supply, and I got to put another additional power supply here for power, and I got to put in the fans as well as the other GPUs. I only put 4 in. Tighten this up here, it's a little loose, and we'll see. So far I got the GPUs in, and all these wires here, I gotta connect all of these wires, and I gotta put all these power cables. I don't know, it seems a little awkward to me. I think these should be on the other side, the opposite side, instead of this side. To me, I may have to flip this around. I don't know, just don't like the way it's set up. But going to the diagram, this is actually the way you put it, but just don't like the way these cables here. I think these should be facing the other way. But yeah, so I got all 12 GPUs in, facing a direction that I kind of don't like. You know, I think that the fans should have gone here instead of the fans over here on this side. That's what I believe. You know, I don't know, I might just try to move things around. You know, it's like this is the back end, and this is like the front over here, and the fans will go here. But then I got these cables here that I gotta run like oppositely. Well, I'm just gonna put it in like the diagram shows. Let's see how this is all gonna look. Okay, so for one of the additional power supplies, I have to add this jumper cable, so that way I can this jumper, whatever, socket here, so that way I'll be able to power up the additional power supply, because this one's not going to be connected to a motherboard. So that's what the additional one needs. Something that looks like this is basically a power on jumper cable here. You see that little wire there? It's just jumping it to start the power supply. So all the GPU cables are all connected to the power supplies, and all of these risers are all connected here. So all I gotta do is add the fans, put in the plugs for the power supply, so I got here, and then connect it to the Ethernet, and then crank it up. So I'm gonna add the fans now. Okay, so I'm pretty much done connecting everything. I just gotta pretty much tuck in some cables and stuff. So that's pretty much it. It's all connected. Might be some cables touching one of these fans, I don't know. So all the wiring is connected. There's 12 GPUs here. See, that's what I was talking about. The fans seem to be a little far away from these GPUs. I think they should have been over here, you know, facing that direction. I don't know, but it's just the way the setup is on this frame. But I guess, you know, they did it for longer, like larger GPUs, but I think they should have been on this side. I don't know. And had these GPU, because you see how this frame here, the GPUs go on these pieces here, but this one doesn't have that, you know, on the fan part. But anyway, just gotta tuck in a few cables. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna plug it up now and power it up, see if it works. Okay, so I plugged it up. So the first thing I'm gonna do is power the 6 GPUs on top, I believe, and because I gotta power those up first. Okay, so I see some lights on there, and then power up the entire system, which is also connected to the other 6 ones on the bottom, and the fans and motherboard. So that turned on. So let me crank that up. Alright. Looks like it all powered up here. All the fans are running. Looks like it's making some connection there. Motherboard is running. It's powered up. Let's see if these lights are on down there. Okay, looks like all of the GPU lights are on. The riser lights are on. So all of them appear to be spinning there. Okay. Alright, looking good. So it's probably connecting to the internet now, you know, and hooking up. So that's pretty much it, guys. I think I'm gonna get another one of these and stack it on top, because this is like stackable. You can stack another setup, another rack like this on the top of it. So I think I'm gonna do the same thing again. Yeah, I feel the breeze coming from the fans. It must have connected, because it's back blinking. It stops for like a couple of seconds and then it comes back on, so it must be connected. And then I'm gonna end up, because I took one down and I took 3 GPUs out of there, so if I can get another one of these racks like this, I think I'm gonna get another one of these with the connecting points, and then build the second one, kind of like a server, you know, and hook another one up like this on the top, and that will like kind of, I can get rid of this rack here. This is a much neater rack, like. So that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is my 12 GPU Kaspa mining rig, and that's it. So catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.